Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and this video is another wine and wigs Wednesday video. I have red wine because red wine is sexy, it's grown, and it fits with the theme of this video. So clink, clink, clink. I'm not exactly going to be featuring a wig, but I will be featuring a wig technique, if you will. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be how I apply my wigs for date night. Me and my husband have date nights. Date nights include dinner, drinks, sometimes a little after party, if you know what I mean. We grown here, okay, so we can have these conversations. A lot of you ladies asked, does the wig grip work for that overnight stay? The desserts at the end of the night. I wanted to show you the way that I adhere my wigs to where we don't have to worry about homegirl up here slipping off or doing a little bit too much. I know how embarrassing it could be if your wig is over there and you over here. I don't know what type of extracurricular activities y'all do. This should hold you through just a little bit of Universal Circus, but none of that Cirque du Soleil shit, girl. Because if you're doing all that, then they shouldn't even be focused on your wig. If you want to see how I made this wig stay on my head perfect for date night, just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to start off by putting our hair back into a ponytail. I don't do cornrows anymore because it broke off my hair. So now I just do a low ponytail with a little twist. And I just pin her up to the back of my head. Next, what we're going to do is use our trusty wig grip. Make sure the tag is next to your right ear. And I just secure that at the back of my head. And we're just going to grab this wig. I have an elastic band on my wig to make sure it fits correctly. If I don't have an elastic band, it won't fit. That's just the way it works. So now we're going to get started with really adhering the wig to the forehead. I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued spray. This spray is, to me, it's the first time I used it. I really do like this spray, but it takes a little bit more effort, I think, to go ahead and get your wig to stick. The gel is a little bit stickier. It attracts more lint to me, and then the spray seems to be a little bit more crusty. But I added about 3 layers of that before I actually started to place my wig onto the spray. Now you have to work pretty quick once you do your last layer. You got to put it right on top of it because once it dries, it's not going to stick. So I'm using the end of a rat tail comb just to go ahead and make sure everything lays down flat and melts into my forehead. It's easier to use a comb because it doesn't allow the oils from your fingers to basically wear down the gel stuff. So we're just going to keep working at it to make sure everything's flat. The wig grip helps to keep the wig secure and not have your wig shifting and then pulling on your edges. I know some people use like this cap method, but I'm too lazy for that. So I just go ahead and just adhere it close to my hairline. And when it's time to take it off, I use a little bit of water and it works fine. I'm trying to push down some baby hairs as well to make it look real natural. I'm grabbing a bandana. This is a cotton bandana. I've learned from Ashley Devana's vlog that it's better to use a cotton one on your wig edges so it doesn't allow the oil to peek through. So I waited for 20 minutes and that's what made it stick. We're taking the hair down, just brushing it out, taking a look at the hairline. It looks secure. It looks natural, honey. It did get a little bit crusty later. So I think if I use the gel and the spray, it works a little bit better. But I do like the hairline. It looks really, really good. But it's like that extra sense of security. So overnight, girl, you ain't gonna have no problems. You and your man and your girl or whoever, y'all gonna have a good time at night. Let's go ahead and brush this wig out. And that's it. What y'all think? Okay, y'all, so hopefully you liked my demonstration. Y'all let me know if you try it out for your date night. If you have any other requests or tests for wig grips, please let me know, because I live for my wig grip. We like this. We 8-spoon coons, we hang out, we do everything together. I'll leave a link for the wig grip down below. I hope you enjoy your date night, and I know you will with my little tip, girl. What do you do? How do you secure the wig when you are on your date nights? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.